Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty by Amma here. In today's video, I am going to be applying a nail polish I received from MADAM GLAM, New York. This is my first time applying this nail polish on my nails. I got this set from MADAM GLAM. It comes in this box, and here is what is in the box. This is a base coat gel, and the second one is the top coat gel. One gel polish. This is called All Natural. Another gel polish, and this is called Always Late. And then lastly, the mini UV LED lamp. So let's get started. I start by applying the base coat first. I'll be applying it all over my nails. Pardon my nails, it looks so horrible. I hardly fix artificial nails or even apply nail polish. But yeah, MADAM GLAM came to my rescue. Then leave it in the lead lamp provided by MADAM GLAM. Leave it in for 30 seconds. The second coat, I'll be applying the soak off gel polish, which is called Always Late. Apply it all over my nails 2 times on my nails. So I'll go first coat and the second coat. And then I'll leave it in LED UV lamp for 30 seconds again. Then lastly, I'll be applying the top coat gel on it to give it a beautiful shine. Look how beautiful my nails are looking after so many years of not applying gel polish. This is so beautiful, guys. I am happy I chose this color. It is so beautiful. MADAM GLAM nail polish applies beautiful on your nails. So feel free to check them out. Their link in the description below. So thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And I will see you all on my next video. Bye bye, guys.